Good morning, guys, and welcome back. If you guys missed the last video, we are currently rebuilding my best friend's 2004 Duramax without him knowing. It's still gonna be a total surprise. We still have a little bit of work to do on the truck. We still need to scuff up the entire bed as well as the front bumper and get it all ready for paint. But with all that being said, let's jump into today's video. All right, guys, we are pretty much ready to start priming. We got the bed all scuffed up, as you can see here. The bumper is all ready to go. I also went over the entire truck one more time just to make sure, as well as just rinse it off to get all of the dust off. So that's what we're gonna do right now, is just let it dry for a couple hours here, make sure there's nothing left that can interfere with us laying down the primer. We will have to tape off the windows and a couple other things first, but right now we're gonna take a little break to let it all dry and then come back, tape everything off, and then start shooing primer. Okay guys, so everything is plasticed off. Ended up taking out those window seals there just so we can get in behind there better. Already wiped everything down, degreased it all. So we are totally ready to finally get this truck to one color.
In regards to painting the truck, after the priming stage was complete, I did let the truck cure overnight before coming back the next day to sand the truck down once again before laying down the paint. I just figured I'd leave that out and spare you guys another sanding time lapse.
And just like that, the truck is officially all painted. It's all one color again. Obviously, you can see some imperfections. The paint is definitely not going to be perfect. First off, because we did the paint job outside. Second off, we did no body work. And third off, we did very minimal amount of prep work on it, other than just sanding it down, essentially. But I think it came out absolutely unreal. And I think he's going to be stoked when he sees this thing all put back together. All right, so we're only 2 minutes away from Lucas's place right now. He still has no idea about the truck. So I'm gonna call him, see if he's home, and just make an excuse to swing by and see him and catch his final reaction of the truck.
Sorry.
Hey, are you at home?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just like a few minutes away. I was just wondering if I could swing by and just drop something off.
Okay. Sounds good.
Cool, do you wanna meet me out front?
Yeah, I can meet your friend.
Okay, cool. I'll be there in like 2 minutes.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Let's go. Do you recognize the truck?
Is that Lucas's truck?
That's Lucas's
You're
truck.
kidding. No way.
Holy, and you even got the lights like back straight?
New bumper, new hood, both new fenders, new grille,
Jesus.
body liner, new box, all the frame.
That's a new box?
This is the new box.
Really?
This is all the frame is totally done on the whole thing.
Jesus.
New taillights.
New tailgate.
Yeah, tailgate, and the whole box is new. And then the whole underside, the whole frame has been redone. And then I got a new shock on this side for you without that cylinder thing over it.
How did you have time to do all this? I
And
can't
then-
believe it.
New door handles because all of yours were snapped off, and then everything repainted, and then the tonneau cover off of my old truck.
Yeah. Holy.
This is insane.
I actually cannot believe this right now.
Corey, I thought you got a new truck.
I can't believe this, actually. Like, how did you even have time to do this?
I've been working on it for like the last week now.
You did this in a week.
That's not the same truck, Corey. You just traded it in.
And those,
And you even got these guys in.
yeah, those fenders are 100% rust free.
These guys.
100%
Oh
rust
yeah,
free.
this is new too then, because this was cracked in.
Yeah. I
Holy.
tried to replace and fix every component. The only thing is it's not an HD grill. That's the only thing I could not.
That's honestly that's.
So it's just missing that plastic valance that goes across the bottom.
Those HD grills are so hard to find. But I don't know what to say. That's like this just blows my mind right now.
Insane.
Yeah.
Seriously insane. Yeah.
I cannot believe this right now. This is actually crazy. Jesus. I don't know what to say. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I did not, like, this is a shocker.